Hi, welcome to Look I Can Cook. This is your chef Netik here, and today we are going to make a Sikkimese dish known as Gundruk soup. It is also known as Gundruk in Sikkim. It is a vegetable soup which is made up of healthy and natural products. The soup is made up of Gundruk, which is a fermented form of broad mustard leaves. Ingredients used to make this dish. Number 1. Gundruk 1 cup. Potato 1 or 2. Salt as per taste. Turmeric a pinch. Chili 1 or 2. Soybean half cup. Garlic green or dry. Cauliflower, radish, onion and tomatoes are optional. Step 1. Fry gundruk and set aside. Step 2. Fry soybean, potato, onion and tomatoes and set aside. Add water with salt as per quantity and turmeric a pinch and cook for 5 minutes. Now add more water and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Now add chopped garlic and chili. The dish is ready. Enjoy it with hot rice.